crafty people, and welcome to my channel. This is Ellen with EGI Designs. Today I just wanted to come to you with a recap of the whole Gina K Designs 12 Days of Christmas box unboxing so that you could see all of it together. We'll just go through quick day by day. If there's any video unboxings that you missed, I do have a playlist, and that will be in the description box and over on my blog at egidesigns.com. So without further ado, we can just run through really quick all of the contents of the whole box. So the first day, this is the Ornate Frame, and this is what it looks like cut out. And I do have a project in the playlist also where I use this with the Thankful Magnolias stamp and did some watercoloring, and it's really gorgeous, and this frame is fabulous. It is so beautiful. Alright, and then day 2 brought us this stamp and die set, and this is called a Paper Hug. And it's got all these cute little critters giving hugs and loving on each other, and I love the sending warm and loving wishes. Lots of other good stuff on there. And then the die set cuts out all of the pieces from that. And then for the third day, we got these beautiful sparkly embellishments, a detail glue bottle, and a tube of Connect glue. And these are so beautiful. If you want to, I did open them in the unboxing video and took them out to look at them, so if you want to see what they look outside of the package, be sure to go check that out. Alright, and then on the fourth day we had tiny tag sentiments and the coordinating die set. These are amazing for gift tags and all that good stuff, and lots of really nice sentiment, and the to from and all that good stuff. And then on the fifth day we had the die set that matches with that. So this is the Tiny Tags die set, and these stamps go perfectly on here. So that was exciting. Alright, day 6, we had a 3-pack of, I can only describe this as the most super fine glitter I've ever seen, and it is so sparkly. And in the unboxing video for day 6, I did compare this to, these are the same colors that are in the sparkle gel. You have the Starlight, the Sterling, and the 24 Karat. So it's kind of like the glitter that's inside that glitter gel. So super pretty. Then day 7, we had this Chalet Background stamp. Look at that. I love the design on this. It is so beautiful. This is going to be a great background stamp. Alright, then day 8, we had the Tiara twin frames. Look how beautiful these are. We have a circular one and an oval one, and I do have them cut out so you can see what they look like. So pretty. And then on day 9 we have Cheers to Another Year. This is a little like birthday, New Year's, celebratory kind of sentiments, and the die set, and the die cuts right around all of the stamps, and even the inside, so that is fun. And then let's see, day 10, we had this new Spatter paint white, and this will put white spatters or splatters, however you want to say it, onto your projects. So I just did a little test on here. So that adds a lot of great detail. And then day 11, we have Glorious Gatefolds, and this was a 2 die set, and this is to make kind of ornate looking panels for your gatefold cards, either vertical or a horizontal, and these would go on the flaps to decorate them, so it's a really great option. And then I cut them out so you can see they're absolutely gorgeous. And all of the dies, the standalone dies in here, kind of have a similar theme, like with the Ornate or the Tiara ones, so everything's kind of coordinated. And then for the last day, we have this beautiful stencil. This is a 4-layer. You can kind of see peeking through there the leaves. So this is very large. The whole image is probably about 5 by 6 or so. So it'll cover your whole card front. This is the Magnificent Magnolias. So there you have it. This is our recap of everything that was in this box. I would definitely say that it is well worth the cost. You get so many products. Everything is full size. Everything is brand new product also. Gina, I believe, was saying that she's might be stocking some of these in the store next year, hopefully. So you might see these come into the store, which would be fabulous if you didn't get a chance to get the box. But definitely, if she does it next Christmas, definitely keep it in mind to get it, because this is a great value and amazing product. I just want to say thank you again for your support of my channel, for going through this 12 days of Christmas journey with me. It's been really fun to see all these new things and open up the little packages every day. And I appreciate you support of my channel, and I wish all of you a happy and healthy holiday season and new year and all that good stuff. And look forward to see what we'll be making together in the new year. So thank you so much for stopping by today. I've had a good time just looking at all the products and doing our recap. And until next time, like, subscribe, and all that jazz, and have an amazing day. Bye bye.